In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize intake forms in practice better. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a professional, client-friendly form that gathers the right information without overwhelming anyone. First, head to My Practice, then select Forms and Waivers. This is your home base for anything related to forms. If you're coming here for the first time, think of it as your library. Everything you create will live here so you can reuse and refine it over time. Next, click Create Form. You'll be asked how you want to start, from scratch with a pre-built template or using the automatic form builder. Starting from scratch gives you full control and is perfect if you already have a clear structure in mind. Templates are great when you want a head start with best practice sections already in place. The automatic form builder can help generate a strong foundation quickly by suggesting common fields, which you can then customize. Choose the option that best matches your workflow and how much you want to tailor the form. Once you're in the form builder, begin adding and editing the fields you need. Typical sections include name and contact information, health history, and lifestyle questions. Use the field types that best fit each question. Short answer for brief text, long answer for detailed responses, multiple choice or checkboxes when you want to guide answers, date fields for appointments or symptom onset, and signature or consent fields for agreements. Aim for clear, client-friendly language and group-related questions together so it feels organized and logical. Keep only what you truly need. Shorter forms get better completion rates. If a question might be sensitive, add a short note explaining why it's helpful. This builds trust and increases accuracy. As you work, think about the order of questions from simple to more detailed, and tailor the wording to your style of practice. You can refine spacing and labels so everything reads naturally. When you're satisfied, save the form. Saving ensures your structure and wording are preserved, and you can always return later to make updates as your process evolves. When you're ready to collect responses, use Send to Client. Your clients receive the form in their client portal or via an email link, and they can complete it securely on their own time. Consider adding a brief message about how long it takes and what to have on hand so they feel prepared. That's it. Follow these steps to build an intake form that's clear, thorough, and aligned with your practice.